Hi, I'm Colin West with eWater Health Emporium, and I'm the water filtration specialist of the group, and I'm also the vice president of LeTip of Dallas. I'm here to invite you to tomorrow's meeting at 11:30 via Zoom. We'll open up our meeting with David Smith with Upstream Financial, who's our financial planner of the group. He'll be showing us riveting family photos and helping us plan for the future. After that, we'll have a 10-minute presentation from Brandon Cronkite, our HVAC specialist, and he will be going over tune-ups for the summer, surge protection, and also talking about indoor air quality and how to get some of those allergies under control with duct cleaning. Every week we have 3 specific roles that our members choose, or our members are part of. We have our showboater, which has a 15 minutes at the beginning of every meeting to kind of display any of their products or specialties. And after that, we have the greeter, which I'm doing. We make a video every week and introduce people and try and give everybody a heads up as to what's the meeting. And then our spotlight speaker has 10 minutes. 10 minutes to talk to the rest of the group. And this 10 minutes is important because we're looking to teach one another how we can better tip each other. Tips are how we calculate business that we share between each other, and that's really what sets us apart from other groups. So tomorrow we're going to have David Smith with Upstream starting off the meeting. We'll have Brandon speaking for 10 minutes as our spotlight speaker, and we hope to see you there. Request an invite in the comments below, or you can call any one of our members and get set up for the meeting. We're looking for plumbers especially. We're also looking for fencing people, landscape design, pool repair, CPA. So any of these categories, we have business and we'd like to share it with you.